Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming at you with another data entry non-phone work from home job lead. This one has me very excited because this company is very popular for the work from home data jobs, and they don't have a lot of turnover, so it's rare that they are hiring, but they do currently have an open position. So today's job lead is for the company Axion Data Services. They are hiring a data entry operator. Now, they have been in business for over 25 years, and they are veteran owned and ran, and they are operated out of the United States. They are looking for a motivated data entry operator to join their team. You'll be responsible for entering information into various proprietary computer systems as well as partner portals based on the project requirements. So it says, are you looking to increase your monthly income, work when and where you want in a remote environment? Then this is for you. Besides entering data, they're looking for someone who can ensure appropriate turnaround time on the data entry products, transcribe information into the electronic format, review and enter data in the appropriate format, proactively verify the data for accuracy and correct it when necessary, and of course communicate effectively with project managers as needed. Now, they are looking for someone for a part-time independent contractor. You'll be self-employed, so you have to provide your own equipment. It says work is flexible schedule anytime 24/7, so you get to set your own schedule and how little or how much you work. You are paid per piece of data entry, so you can increase your hourly rate based on your production speed. The faster you work, the more work that you get done in an hour, the more you can make. So pay is not listed for this job, so it is dependent on the speed at which you do your data entry, but they do pay bi-weekly through direct deposit. If this sounds like the perfect opportunity for you, they don't require any college degree, only a high school diploma or equivalent. They would like someone who has 2 to 3 years of data entry experience, and that can do 15,000 keystrokes per hour. That's equivalent to typing 50 words per minute. Someone who knows Microsoft Office Suite. You have to be 18 years or older and able to pass a criminal background check. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, as I'm always reading those and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.